And we're good. Motherfucker. Real quick, just want to explain this. So I don't have my jack, so we're gonna be doing this without lifting the car, because the ideal way to do it is to lift the passenger side, remove the that wheel, and there should be a covering that you'll remove so you can have access to the pulley. Now, since I'm reckless as hell, as you can see, I don't guard shit. Okay. So my guards are, it's been gone. Like I've never put it back on. And yeah. So all I have to do is turn the wheel all the way to the right. So I have access to that pulley right there. Okay. That's sitting like right above the axle. And from there, I'll be able to remove the belt. And I'll be able to, I already checked, I have access to the alternator. Now the alternator just has 3 bolts and that line right there, and that's it. Oh, and then obviously right under that line, this line right here, there's a connector that you'll disconnect, but you can get that after you remove this. Okay. Now there's a shield that comes with the alternator as well, and you know, if you're doing this, you probably have your shield, especially if you're completely stock. Yeah, I just took mine off. Alright, so that was a fun adventure. You can't really see, but it's a mess back here. So it looks like from the grease from the axle when it exploded, it just made a big mess. Alright, so you can kind of see everything's like lubricated very nicely. Gonna have to clean that up, obviously. And that's probably what caused this to go bad. As you can see, this is like, yeah, it's pretty bad. So we're gonna go ahead and take this cover off and transfer it over to this one. One thing I did forget to mention, there is a 8mm bolt, like right here, that sits on, hold up, that's just this bracket right here. Focus on the bracket, focus on the bracket. Alright, so this little bracket right here, that's where that, so this, that little hole right here, put that bracket on over this, and then you're gonna put that little 8mm bolt over that. Okay, and that's going to be on the bottom side, on the side closer to the driver's side. Ka-ching! And she's in. And we're back on, folks. Everything's connected. The belt's on. Now a quick tip for the belt. Let this one sag. Where you're gonna put it back on. So go ahead and route it how you're supposed to route it. I'll leave a clip to show you how to route it. And everything else, like make sure they're within the grooves, except this one. Now, when you have everything set up how it's supposed to, you pull that on. You go ahead and pull that pulley clockwise. You're gonna feed the belt into those grooves right here. Okay, and yeah, you should be set. I'm gonna go ahead and reconnect the battery, and we'll see what happens. All right, so the battery was dead, so we're gonna have to jump it. All right, so she started. Install was good. Just to make sure that the power is actually the alternator is actually charging. So we got that on the ground. We're gonna test. Yeah. We're at 13.8 or 13.9. I said we're good. Alright. First of all, don't judge this. I was doing other stuff. Anyways, that's besides the point. Look at this. So there's a ground I forgot to put back. It's back on. So with that theory, the car should start right back up. Oh shit. See, I'm tired at this point. Look at this. Forgot to connect the battery again. Alright, now we have the check P's weight and Cobb's still access port doing whatever it's doing. And we're good. Motherfucker. Alright guys, so this video wasn't completely a fail because I successfully installed the alternator and it got the car running. Now the car did shut off again and now it won't start, but it's not doing the same thing. And now it's giving me a 1260 code, the infamous 1260 code, the P1260, and it's an immobilizer. So I'm going to look into it more, and because apparently you got to take it to the dealer so they can take care of that code. But I'm not trying to do that because then I got to tow it there. I'm not trying to do all that. I'm gonna do some research, look into it, and when I find a solution and get this thing going again, I will be back with another video. From my knowledge, it has to do with grounds. So I did forget that one ground, but I connected it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go check all my grounds and clean them up, and we'll see what happens from there. All right guys, well, thank you again for watching. If you made it this far, I appreciate you. Go ahead and like, subscribe. There will be more videos, and yeah, this is one thing after another. All right, thank you for watching. Peace.